In Helldivers 2, players face challenges with lost loadouts and character customization, alongside issues like emotes and titles resetting post-missions, indicating a possible saving bug. To address this, reporting the bug to developers is crucial, as it helps them prioritize fixes for future updates. Creating multiple loadouts serves as a workaround for lost setups, providing quick access to pre-configured options. If available, manual saves during missions can act as restore points for customization changes. Cloud saves, if supported, offer additional backup for character data. Understanding reloading mechanics, though specific information may be limited, aids in gameplay efficiency. Staying informed via official channels ensures awareness of any updates or patch notes addressing these issues. Caution is advised against using unofficial tools or mods, which may exacerbate complications or violate terms of service. By employing these strategies, players can manage the situation until a permanent fix is implemented.